police now! Is there anybody else in the car?
On June 29th, 2025, things went sideways fast. An 18-year-old chick nearly got kidnapped by some sketchy dude who was already boosting stuff from a smoke shop. Cops had to bounce hard to catch him, and what they found next was even wilder. This whole thing screams never underestimate a sketch move.
Hey, who's the victim? Okay, so you work at the smoke shop.
Yeah.
What happened?
So this guy came in earlier, probably like 2 hours ago, just to use the bathroom. I didn't think anything of it, and he walked out. And then he just came back like 20 minutes ago, went into the bathroom again, and then came out. And he was just looking around, came around the counter, and I was like, so you have to go back around. And then he started grabbing a product, and he started like pushing me like out of the way and everything. And then eventually he walked back around the counter, and it started going towards the front door. I was like, are you gonna pay for everything? And got in front of him. And he was like, what are you gonna do about it? And it started pushing me out of the store. And then I was like trying to hold back from getting out of the store because he was still holding product too. And then he pushed me all the way to the driver's side of the door for his truck, and then tried dragging me inside of it.
Okay, so he tried to forcibly
yes,
drag you inside of it?
Yes, and he was pulling me inside, and I was just like pushing myself away. And then
how did you get away?
I was just pushing and kicking away, and he just finally let go.
We got another unit. They're gonna come and talk to you and get a statement. Is that injuries?
Yeah, that happened during that.
Okay, I'm gonna go to his house because we have a flock hit, I think, a vehicle.
Oh, okay.
The other unit's gonna come here and grab an interview, okay? Okay.
Covering top.
Dylan, County Sheriff's Office, come outside with your hands up.
I'm gonna push to the other side of my car so I can see the front door.
Dylan, this is the County Sheriff's Office. Come outside with your hands up.
Did he push you onto the ground or anything?
No,
Okay.
I don't know. I think this was because I was like trying to hold myself from getting out, and I think I dragged it against the door because he was pushing me out.
Okay.
Hold the tone, please.
Dylan, 4441 County Sheriff's Office. Come outside with your hands up.
All right, what about a description of him?
White guy. I want to say it was so hard to catch, but he wasn't old. He was like 20 to 30ish, like in the younger category, probably under 30. Brown hair. I can't remember if it was curly or wavy. I believe he had a hat on.
Hey, window.
Bottom window.
10-12 with a female. 10-12 with a female.
Come outside with your hands up.
There. No, Dylan. Come back to us. Keep coming, keep going. All behind this truck, face the house.
Yeah, something's not adding up.
Well, the pictures.
Yeah.
Definitely my Walmart guy, but that's not him.
No, that's not him at all.
No.
Sorry for the mix-up. I don't know if they found it, so we're working on a robbery and a possible kidnapping. Your vehicle happened to be same area, same time as everything that was going down. That's what brought us here today. Okay.
Same description, same everything.
Yeah, the description of the suspect, your driver's license pictures looked a lot like the suspect.
This whole situation was pure chaos. Dude walks in like he's chill, using the bathroom like he's cool, but nah, he's low-key casing the joint. Next thing you know, he's grabbing merch, shoving the girl, and trying to drag her into his truck like it's nothing. That's some straight-up psycho energy. The crazy part? She didn't just freeze. Nah, she fought back, kicking, pushing, screaming her lungs out. That's survival instinct 101 right there. Respect.
So, except they had a beard, right? And once he came out without a beard, you guys have cameras on here?
He has really good cameras. Have you seen us?
Yeah, I was just trying to get both while we were here. If y'all had one.
It's 10-4. The vehicle is not stopping. We're trying to get a 28 right now. Description is silver grayish Toyota Tundra. If you could get the Tacoma, if you get the county rolling this way, probably they're going to need to be coming from A1A 206 area. Just signal 14. The reason for the stop is reckless driving past us in a bike lane, and we're currently traveling 65 miles per hour. north, direction and travel northbound, passing Fort Matanzas, current speed 90 miles an hour. Looks like he is pulling over in Fort Wynn's rental facility. Get out now! Hands up! Get out! Get out now! Driver, hands up! Out the exit now!
Put your hands out the window!
Out now! Open your door with your hands out the window now! Now! Get down on your face now!
Is there anybody else in the car?
Hands on your head now! On your head now! Hands on your head!
On your head!
On your head! On your head!
Megan, you got lethal?
Get here! Hands on your head now!
Ground.
Hands on your head now!
SO has been notified.
Don't move.
Don't move!
Hands behind your back now. Nope, nope, nope. What are you doing, man? What the hell are you doing?
You smoked, so you decided to run. That's a real dumb reason to run.
The suspect was moving like a maniac, thinking he could just bounce with stolen goods and a human hostage. But cops had the tech on deck. A vehicle hit pinged, units coordinated, and they tracked him to his crib. Only problem? Confusion with his ID and footage slowed things down a bit. Classic mix-up, but still, big shout out to the officers for staying on their grind.
Do you have any weapons on you?
Roll over. Get on your knees.
Hold on. Nope, we're gonna do it here.
Yep.
Anything in your pockets? Threw everything out the window, didn't you? Flip them on that way.
We need you to smoke.
I mean, I smell it.
Yeah, like within the last.
Roll them on that side.
You smoke recent?
A little bit.
How recent?
I don't know.
10 minutes?
A couple minutes, yeah.
Couple minutes,
Hold on,
yeah.
let me clear out that seat, Megan. You good?
Yep.
How you doing?
Put your foot in. You got your rapid ID?
Yeah. Is he refusing to ID himself?
I guess so.
They got rapid ID. We'll see if he's out of Florida.
Like incoherent, but...
Y'all find any vapes on him or anything?
A bunch of...
Like a container this big.
Well, he robbed a vape shop. That's why we're trying to.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So he robbed. Robbery, attempted kidnapping, on top of some shoplifting.
Just right now.
At Walmart. Yeah, this guy.
That's why he ran.
That's one.
That's why he ran.
Well, you guys want them? I mean, that's all y'all's.
Signal 10. No, that's mine. It's stolen. Yeah.
Vehicle stolen.
I would suggest you stop tensing up. Understood?
Yeah, you know, screw him. Go back in.
Okay.
You're John Doe.
Get him.
Just trying to get some
All right,
air.
you can get back in.
I appreciate it.
Get back in.
We're taking him.
Would you like me to push you or you want to get back in?
No, I would like
Get
us
back in.
all to get into a car.
Get back in.
We'll take him because we have a bunch of other charges on him.
Get back in. Look at how many cops you have sitting around you.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so get back in or I will push you back in.
Okay,
Get back in.
okay. I would like someone to come with me. Or two.
I don't know what's on there, but I'm not about to play that game. So get in that car right now. You do not have a choice. You understand me?
Okay.
I gave you a choice. Look at how many people you got. Nope.
Listen, no, you
Nah.
guys are off.
Stop doing that. Put your feet in the car and stay still.
Today's not the day, my friend. You might want to just sit chill.
You reach for something again, and I'll you up. You understand me? Do not do that.
Okay, we're good.
You might as well just transport him to CJ.
Yeah, well, transport, we're not going to deal with taking him in.
They almost grabbed your taser.
Eyeglass somewhere around me.
No, if he does ever come back, like he gets out and he comes back here, and like I'm still here working, what do I do? Like, cause if like he just walks in.
Well, so he Well, it would be illegal for him to remotely be in this area.
Is that going to be like the whole county?
So it's an injunction. So he can't be anywhere around you or anything like that. And he might, if he does get out, he might be on a monitor. I don't know, but a lot of those times they do monitors and stuff like that. So we have a really sophisticated system to track people. So it's not like this county they spend no expense on that type of stuff. So it's not as easy as people think. But it just depends on what he gets. But he might be on a GPS monitor and stuff, and that way, if he does get out, we will know where he's at. And if he comes anywhere, we're already notified before you even know.
Okay.
So definitely that. And he basically tried to kidnap you. So this isn't an easy thing for him to even get out on.
Yeah.
So we'll see, and we'll work with what we got to do, and we'll go from there. And we'll see to it that he gets dealt with. Okay.
All right.
Don't worry about him. You just work on your mental, and we'll do the rest. Okay.
You had any alcohol today?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You told me earlier that you did.
Meanwhile, dude's being wild, refusing breath tests, giving half-baked excuses, acting like he's invincible. Reality check. Nah, you ain't slick. This whole episode shows how one small theft can spiral into full-blown violent crime. Theft, attempted kidnapping, reckless driving. He's stacking charges like it's a checklist.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You told me earlier that you did.
Oh yeah, I might have.
Yeah?
Might have.
Why are you having trouble remembering?
I've always had trouble remembering. Kind of like, I just forget shit all the time.
So I read this to you? You gotta read it to you? You have the right to remain silent and everything? With these rights in mind, do you wish to continue talking to us now? Okay. So, you said earlier that you had, when you were in the truck on the way here, you said that you had alcohol. Do you remember what you had?
Probably some kind of mixer, wine mixer,
Oh, yeah, like what they sell at the gas station?
Yeah.
Yeah, they come in little balls or something like that, right? Or is that the other thing that I'm thinking of?
No, yeah, little balls, yeah.
You said you had today as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any other sort of...
No, well, honestly, I haven't been getting a lot of sleep, but I don't know if I'll be able to produce any pee, and I know I told you I took the test, but I don't even know if I can pee right now. Okay.
You said you did take today?
I did take today, yeah.
Like a lot, or how much you talking?
Yeah, a pretty large portion of marijuana. Yeah. And this shit I did to that girl, that was up, bro. She's all right.
What girl?
Probably.
What'd you do?
The abduction.
You want to talk about it?
If you want.
Well, what happened?
I don't know. I just literally, I wanted just to hang the out of her.
Oh, okay.
But she freaked the fuck out, and I was like, I don't know. I got mad, and I fucking just,
And you just took off?
I literally, but when you get to a certain point, you're just like, oh my god, right?
Yeah.
Damn.
So back to the...
Yeah.
You smoked through...
Yeah, preferably, yeah.
Okay, how many do you think you smoked today?
Maybe 2.
2? Okay.
2. I don't even know when the last time I slept was. Literally.
Okay.
I don't even want to take this test anymore.
You don't want to take it anymore?
Okay, you don't want to take it, so you're refusing to take the test?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll just mark it down as a refusal.
Alright, you hang tight here and let me let them know, okay?
How are you doing at this point in time, and can you kind of tell us a little bit of your processing, your thought process since this happened?
Well, I'm still trying to recover from it. Obviously, it was pretty traumatic, but yeah, lately I've just been trying to focus on myself and get back to work.
What actions did you take to try to get away from him?
I just kept fighting back and screaming.
What was going through your head when he grabbed you and dragged you to his car?
Just that I had to get away, and I was terrified that he was going to hurt me.
Throughout this experience, have you gone through any personal protection training before? And how did you know what to do in order to get away from him?
I have not done any personal protection things yet, but my parents had always taught me that whenever you're in any sort of danger, you always fight back.
Are you still working at the smoke shop?
No, I am not. The boss did let me and my sister go.
Do you know why? Any reasoning?
No, he has not contacted either of us.
What's your reaction to that, of how he treated you through this situation?
Pretty upsetting, because he was my boss for a few months, and you know, everything was going good up until that incident, and he just completely stopped talking to either of us.
Do you have any advice or words for other women who might find themselves in similar situations?
Just never be quiet. Always fight back no matter what. Like, kick, scream, all of it. It will do.
The 31-year-old male was also on probation for prior charges of criminal mischief when he smashed his mother's home in a drunken outburst, causing damages worth $38,000. He was charged with grand theft of motor vehicle, petite theft, second-degree robbery, and kidnap false imprisonment. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our exciting series. Can't wait to see you next time. Stay curious and get ready for the next adventure.